Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for my lunch meal prep for this week. If you're new here, my name's Molly. I do weekly meal prepping for lunches and for breakfast to have ready to go for the week to be nice and healthy and organized. So for this week, I'm going to make, I have cucumber. I'm gonna do chicken ranch stuffed cucumber. So I have canned chicken. I have some cooked bacon that I made in my air fryer. Check that video out. I will link it in the description box. I'm having so much fun with my new air fryer. So I made this bacon in there. I'm gonna have shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, and then you can use a ranch packet of seasoning if you'd like. I don't have one today, so I'm just gonna use some dill. I have onion powder and garlic powder. So I am going to cut my cucumber up, and then I'm gonna scoop out the middle, and I'm gonna add in all of this delicious chicken, bacon, ranch mixture. It's gonna be a really nice and healthy lunch for the week. It's really hot out again this summer, so I like to have nice and light lunches. This is a really easy no-cook recipe, so I hope that you enjoy this one. Check the description box for the recipe if you wanna make it, and I'll get this one going for the week. All right, I have my 2 cans of chicken drained. So it's there in my bowl, and I have my sour cream. I'm gonna use 1 cup of sour cream. I'm gonna put it right in there with the chicken. And so I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Now I have my seasonings. I have my garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. I have 1 teaspoon of dill, and I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So you can use some ranch seasoning if you have that as well. And now I'm going to cut up my cooked bacon. So I made this in my air fryer that I have just been loving lately. I've been using it for so many things, but it is really fun and really easy to make bacon in the air fryer. So you should definitely try that out if you like to cook bacon. It comes out super crispy and really delicious. I like my bacon on the crispier side, so I just love cooking it in the air fryer. So now I'm going to mix everything together, and this will be my mixture that I'm going to put into the center of my cucumbers after they are all holed out. All right, so I have my chicken bacon ranch stuffed cucumber. So nice and refreshing, so quick and easy to make this. This is perfect for lunch if you need a nice light lunch during these hot summer days. Super yummy and healthy, keto friendly. So this is really good. Check the description box for the recipe if you want to make this one, and click subscribe to my channel if you're new so you don't miss my other meal prep ideas. If you need some ideas, some inspiration to get some meals prepped for the week, check out my channel. I hope that you have a great weekend. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.